Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recharge the Acura MDX air conditioner. So this is the car. Let's open it and recharge this. This is the only tool that you need. One side has this connector and the other side is this type of connector, so you might find it in different shape, different ways. So in any cases it should have a pressure monitor attached to it somewhere, so when you connect it from the can will be connected on this side and this will be connected to the car. And beside this, then you need to get two cans for this purpose for this car. If your car is different, then you might need for a smaller car, one can is enough. This kit, this is for recharge. Let's open it. First we have to check to see. We're going to use one of these tools. This goes to the can where it has a knob that you can open, and this side goes to the car. And then let's see here. In here it says H. Okay, you see that H? That H means high pressure. And this is the other one. To find out the one that has H, so you see this H, that's high pressure, but we're going to use this one. And also if we connect this to the wrong one, it will not fit. Let me also show you here the one that has H, and it will not fit, so you will not make mistake. So for this connector, I'm just pulling this, you see, I'm pulling this down like that. First, let's untie this. We're untying this, so open it fully so you don't see any needle here. You see the needle is in. Now let's tighten this. I got this kit. This is for recharge. So making sure it is tightened properly. And then when I turn this, it will puncture the can and it will flow. I will not do that. So let's do it here. I am connecting it. Now if you pull it, it will not go. So pay attention to the needle. Now come here on this way. I'm turning this. Now this is fully punctured, so you see now I am moving this so it can recharge. I feel this portion is getting cold. It's all metal, these are all now cold when you touch it. You see that it should come this way, slowly. So Now let me just remove it. So it went up. Now the pressure is building. So I'm just shaking it. You see, this is now slowly I feel very cool here. So I have to make sure that this goes very high. Now that's enough. Now that's enough. Now this is the second can. Now the same way, pull the needle out, tighten it. Make sure it's tightened, and then let's put this back. So this is now secured, and that's it. Now let's puncture the can. So I punctured it fully. Now let's put it down. I'm waiting for this. You see the cool pressure. So slowly it's an increase. Still increasing. So you see the white ice is building already. Okay, so that's the maximum that we could go, and then let's remove it. So now this is done. Let me go inside the car. So it is getting cool. Cool air is coming. Let's see. maximum. Thanks for watching. This was how to recharge the air conditioner for Acura car. If you are able to fix your car, please thumb up the video and also make sure to subscribe, as this will help my video in the search algorithm of YouTube. And if you have comment or question, post it in the comment section below. I try to answer and reply.